Laminate floors provide a distinct beauty and warmth to your home. The best way to care for your laminate floor is to vacuum, dust mop, and occasionally damp mop. Laminate floors are beautiful and very durable, but not indestructible. Floors can dull when unattended dirt acts as an abrasive on its surface. You can avoid this by sweeping or vacuuming regularly to remove loose dirt and grit. Use a broom or a vacuum cleaner with the hard attachments, not the beater bar. These attachments are also useful for picking up dirt from between planks or along edges. Placing doormats at each entryway will collect excessive moisture and dirt before they enter the house. Glides or floor protectors on the bottom of furniture will prevent possible scratching or abrasion. Also, keep pet snails trimmed to minimize scratching. Use caution when moving appliances or heavy furniture. Spot cleaning and occasional complete cleaning can be done using the manufacturer's recommended products. Do not use abrasive cleaners, steel wool, or scouring powder. Do not use soap-based detergents or mop and shine products. Do not wax, polish, or steam clean your floor. Never flood the floor with water or cleaner. Laminate floors can expand if excessive water is used while cleaning. After damp mopping, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe the floor thoroughly. Tough, stubborn stains, such as paint or adhesive, should be removed with alcohol or acetone. Regular care and maintenance of your laminate floor will keep it looking beautiful for years to come.